Welcome to the Canvas Crusade channel. Today, we'll explore how to remove backgrounds in Canva, including the new Canva tool known as Canva Magic Grab. If you've tuned in for a Canva tutorial on background removal, you're in the right place. I'll demonstrate the process with a photo I've uploaded to my Canva account, showcasing how to use the Canva background remover. Let's begin by inserting the photo I've uploaded. With the photo selected, I'll click Edit Photo and then Canva Background Remover. It's that simple. Now, my photo boasts a transparent background, allowing me to insert various backgrounds. Watch how I do it. Next, I want to introduce you to a fantastic new Canva feature, Canva Magic Grab. Once again, I'm inserting my photo, selecting it, and then clicking Edit Photo, followed by Canva Magic Grab. Voila! My image now stands without the background. I absolutely adore this new Canva feature. I hope you found this quick Canva tutorial helpful. Please share your feedback on the new Canva tool, Canva Magic Grab, in the comments below. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.